Hi, Andreas here. Here's my digital eyepiece display that I'm using for electronic assisted astronomy observations. It contains a small LCD display and two eyepieces. Other parts are 3D printed. It has focusing adjustment for each eye, interpupillary distance adjustment 55 to 70 millimeters, brightness knob, HDMI input and USB for power, and a mounting adapter, in this case for Celestron C8 telescope. Here is how it works, connected to a computer and shown a real capture of the Cygnus Wall in the NGC 7000 from one of my observation stations. By the way, it's 1 minute integration time with C8 and Hyperstar. Now let's look what parts are used to build this and how it is assembled. For eyepieces, I am using objective lenses from this small cheap binocular. These rubber cups will be also reused. The focusing adjustment moves the whole objective lens assembly. We want to take it out. This is the lens we need. This lens is 25.3 mm in diameter, or almost 1 inch. And this is an achromatic tablet and has about 90 mm focal length. Here the outside part of the lens looks up, and in our lens assembly this outside part will look down. The rubber cap must be trimmed. The display used is a Waveshare 5.5-inch 2K LCD display. It has no brightness adjustment, so a modification should be done. You can see a 100 kilo-ohm log-type variable resistor, additional 73 kilo-ohm resistor, and two parts of the PCB where modifications are done. Here is the backlight LED driver. The bridge resistor shown should be changed to 4.7 kilo-ohm. Also, one shown footprint should be shorted and the wire soldered to another shown footprint. Here, the second wire should be soldered. Now we have all parts prepared for assembly. These are two lenses, rubber cups, retaining rings, lens assembly case, movable eyepiece case, separation wall, nuts. Two of them have left-hand thread, other two right-hand. Screw with left-hand and right-hand thread. Brightness knob. Main case. And mounting adapter for telescope. These are the screws supplied with the display and the display itself with brightness adjustment resistor. Assembly started with the nuts. They simply slide in. The lens assembly, screw it in from below. It has a stop here, cannot fall out. Now the lenses are installed. Retaining ring. And the rubber cup holds it together. This is the normal position of focusing, and the eyepiece can be moved down or up for adjustment. Installation of the display starts with brightness resistor. display is placed in the case and fixed with screws. The brightness knob has special flexible features to hold on the resistor shaft. It's a good idea to clean the display now. Display is connected to a computer for testing. They can see how the picture looks like and how the brightness adjustment works. Now without bright light from the top. The separation wall has special features for mounting. It slides in the front and clicks in on the other side. The screw simply slides in. The eyepieces should be symmetrical relative to the screw, and here it is not the case. Now it is okay. The case has a groove at the front where eyepieces slide in. And then the screw is simply pressed in place. The last parts are additional flexible eye caps printed in TPU. Now it is ready for use. Here is how it looks like on the telescope.